This is where we can see data from multiple devices that are within the same household or even across multiple households. You can select which devices that you would want to see data from, and the options here depend on the devices available in the database. Then when you hit Reload Graph, you can see the graph populated with data from that specific device, as well as some information just telling you the start date, end date, and then which devices are included in this graph. If you want to see data from multiple devices, all you need to do is select that and reload the graph, and it'll give you the last 7 days of the total water usage over all the devices that you select. Alright, so currently this is a graph of our water usage history of this past week, just based on the data that we have. We can see here the most recent day today, Monday, we have 0.76 liters recorded of water being used. Currently, Juan is running water through our device, collecting the data, and we'll send a package of that to the server. And once we get the confirmation that, we can reload the graph and see the updated real-time data. Alright, so we just got confirmation that the data is packaged and uploaded. So if we hit Reload Graph, you can see here now that the amount of water for today is 0.92 liters, so about 0.2 increase in volume.